Welcome to Baby Fun TV. A. Apple. Say with me, apple. Yes, this is an apple. Its color is red. This next alphabet is B. B, ball. Say with me, ball. Its shape is circle. The next alphabet is C. C, cat. Say with me, cat. Here is very pretty cat. D. Dog. Guess one? No, it's not dog. It's deer. Its color is brown. The next alphabet is E. Elephant. You like elephant? Yes. Its color is gray. It's elephant. Guess which alphabet is next? Oh, F. F. The funny sound of F is F. Fish. This is a fish. G. Grape. I like grapes. Its color is purple. This fruit is very tasty. The next alphabet is H. H. The funny sound of H is hen. Its color is brown. The next alphabet is I. Ice cream. Every kid likes ice cream. Ice cream. The next letter is J. Say with me, J. Juice. In summer, every person likes juice. The next letter is K. Kite. With me, kite. There are many kites in the sky. The next letter is L. Lion. Lion. The phonic sound of L is L. L. Lion. The next letter is M. M. Monkey. Here is monkey. Look, monkey is there. Its color is brown. N. Night. At night time, we can sleep. It's a sleeping time. O. The phonic sound of O is O. O. Orange. I like orange. The next letter is P. Pippa, parrot. Do you have parrot in your home? Guess which color is it? Yes, it's in green color and also a multicolor. Q. Cuca. Coil. Coil is also a bird. The next alphabet is R. R. Rainbow. Every kid likes rainbow because it has multiple colors. It comes after rain when sun shines. The next alphabet is S. S. Sun. It's very easy for you. Say with me, sun. Try to draw sun at home. It's very easier. T. Tita. The phonic sound of T is T. Tita. Turtle. Let's make drawing turtle. Which color is it? It's in green color. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Let's draw umbrella. You can also try at home to draw umbrella. V. Viva. Violin. Violin is used for singing a song. V. The next alphabet is W. W for watermelon. X. Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Let's draw Xmas tree. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yo-yo. The next letter is, and the last one alphabet is Z. Z, zebra. Say with me, zebra. Let's draw. It is black and white in color. Bye-bye.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.